If the pass mark is 50, let's use if function to categorize the students. Type equals, and if. Open brackets, select the marks. Type greater than 50, comma. Within inverted commas type pass. Comma. Within inverted commas type fail. Press enter. Double-click the fill handle. Let's get the grading. Type equals VLOOKUP. Open brackets. Select the marks, comma. Select the grading table, press F4 to lock it so this range stays fixed when we copy the formula down later. Comma. Type 3 for column index, which is the grade column. Comma. Type true for approximate match, since we are matching a marks range, not an exact number. Close the bracket, press enter. Excel finds the closest minute value that's still less than or equal to 78, which is 75, giving us grade A. Double-click the fill handle. Remember, approximate match only works if the minute column is sorted smallest to largest. Level up your Excel skills for less than the price of a coffee. Comment Excel below to get a full Excel formula video guide for just $7.